Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to look at all my farm animals. So, first of all, we got some baby kittens resting it out right there. Some baby cats sleeping right there. Got a hiding cat. Where is Pump? Your favorite pumpkin. Pumpkin! You in here? I bet he's probably in there. I'm not sure. Guys, I just found Pumpkin. Took me a little bit, but I found Pumpkin. Where's Pumpkin at, guys? Pumpkin! Pumpkin! That's Pumpkin right there. That one right there is Pumpkin. Look, it's Pump out in the wilderness. Now that one might be stuck. I'll help you. Ow. Stop biting me. I'm just trying to help you. You might see my name. By the way, I mowed all this around here. Rate how good I mowed. My name is, of course, My Donkey Deke 5 because, well, that's my Donkey Deke, and my favorite number is 5. Hey, Deke. Oh, he must have heard his name. That's Shiloh. So, you guys didn't see it, but like a fly hybrid mixed with a mosquito just landed on me. What are you eating, hey? Caught in 4K. Oh no! Scared the horses and the donkey. Stop. You're getting too camera selfish. Alright. You know I haven't even been in the video. I mean, I'm filming the video, but I'm not in the video. That's Cookie. This is Cookie. Oh, Cookie. Cookie. Alright, go play that. I'm not sure. That's either Smokey or someone. I'm not sure. Hi. Look at this brand. We got it from someone, and that's the brand that I had on it. Smokey. That's a mama cat. Oh. That's the chill mama cat, Eva. Cookie. I'm not sure who that is. Pumpkin! Bye-bye, Pumpkin. Uh-oh, mama cat's mad. Where'd she go? Oh, there's a water bottle over there. Where'd she go? She was just right there. I don't know if I caught her on camera, but she was just right there. Is here anymore? No, okay. It's really muddy. It just rained like 2 inches, but hey, Wendy, no one wants to see your butt. Wendy, why do you just like to follow me everywhere I go? Wendy, fine, Flash. Stop. Flashy girl. Flash, come here. Yeah. Flash, come here. Flash. Don't be a pain in the butt. Okay, well, maybe. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. There's the camera. There's something. Ow! There, oh, that's a cat. There's something really cool about you. And I want them to see. You have one blue eye and one brown eye. But you know what? You're just selfish and you won't turn around. You need a Snickers bar face. Oh. I just want to get a good shot of you. This is a funny shot, not a good shot. Do you see what I see? See hay bale. Not the cat. Not the cat. Oh crap, the cat's coming for me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whack me with the tail. But I see a hay bale. So, guys, stop it. Stop it. And yes, I am on the hay bale currently. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Should I go over there and break it up? Yeah, I should. They're getting hurt. Come here. This one's cute. We don't have a name for it yet. Leave in the comments a name for this white cat right here. Okay. All the other ones have names. Oh, that's the mom I was trying to catch earlier. Stop fighting! Cookie. We also have a cat named Stashio. You want to see why his name is Stashio? Because he has a stash right there. He has a big old stash. Hey. Hey, I don't have a name for you yet. But they're going to pick a name for you. And just because you fight, they might pick a bad name. Oh my god! It's a 3-cat fight. Stop stepping on Stashio. I looked down for 1 second, Stashio's gone. Wait a minute, I have Stashio. Stashio wants to be the king of the world. He just told me that. He is now the king of the world. Don't worry, I'll help him down. Okay, Giddy. Let's go down. Uh-oh, I just saved you from a predator. Well, that's most of my farm animals out here. You have not been on the camera that much. You are normally way calmer. Yeah, I gotcha. Seriously? And I'm holding a cat while I'm filming. I can't really film it that well. I'm holding a cat. Ow, ow, ow. You just smacked me. Alright, well, I think I might end it right about here. Bye-bye. Subscribe.